Alright, this is the Kenmore 1301. I got it resting on its back in the top of the cabinet here so that we can pop the hook, which I felt it all around to make sure it didn't have any burrs on it, because I did just finish that Euro Pro X and it had that really bunged up hook that was causing a lot of issues. So, and this just has spring tabs like that, and that is in place. Put a dab of oil all across the bottom of the machine here. So I don't remember if I oiled down here yet or not. It looks like I got plenty of oil in here. Alright. Set that down and then we'll set up and do some test stitching. Okay, it is time for a stitch test. So we're set for straight stitch, and I have this all threaded. There is a thread guide broken on the top of the machine, but I believe it's an extra one that's not particularly necessary. And this is making some really nice stitches here. So I think now that we've got the needle bar moving, this machine seems to be working pretty well. I need to check out the electrics on it and double check that those are in a good, safe condition before I pass it on, but there was nothing immediately wrong with them, so we'll double check them, and then I think this might be ready to go.